Hi, this is Ryan from Nextmv. Today I'm going to show you a preview release of an MCP server that we're shipping with our command line tools. More and more of our users are adopting tools like Claude Code, Codex, or Copilot, and this gives them a nice way to use Nextmv with these and other agents. If you're new to MCP, you can basically think of it as providing context, which is information and instructions to agents on how to use data and tools, as well as some level of deterministic control over how agents actually use those tools and what they do with them. In the context of Nextmv, this gives us another entry point to our decision ops ecosystem for agents. Agents can do any of the things that you can do with Nextmv's console, APIs, SDK, or command line tools. While you can use agents directly with those SDKs and command line tools, the MCP server is nice because it improves speed and reliability of those agents. So let's see it in action. Here I am in a clean Python virtual environment. Since this is a preview, I'm going to install a specific version of our Python library. The quotes are necessary because of Z Shell on a Mac. Here it is. Now if I run the Nextmv command line tools, I'll see this preview section at the bottom where there's an MCP server available to me. The help will tell me how to register it with Claude. There are other ways to register it with other coding agents. All right, it should be all ready to go. Note this is a local MCP server, so Claude is running it for me, and it has access to it in the same way that it has access to things like Git or other coding tools. So let's see what it can do. So the first thing to do is just have it look at my Nextmv account and tell me things about it. I'm having it look for a specific application that I've already deployed, which does avocado pricing. Okay, so it's found it. Now I'm going to have it analyze an acceptance test. This is a test that we use for model rollouts and essentially pull request reviews for model changes. You can see it using the MCP server to run commands on Nextmv and get data from the system. Now it's downloading the acceptance test results and giving me a brief analysis. It looks like everything passed. Great. Okay, so let's say we want to do a model rollout. It can also handle that sort of thing for me. Now I'm telling it to update my production instance to use the best version and configuration from this test. I like the update that it proposes, but I don't want it to change the hardware. All right, so we've seen Claude now use Nextmv to tell me about what's in my account, analyze a test, and do a production rollout. You can do a lot of other things with it, pretty much anything that you can use in Nextmv. Thanks for your time and attention. Have a great day.